Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with UNice once again. So you notice I got two boxes and not just one. Super excited for today's video, like so excited. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I saw was the wig, and then of course I got the goodie bag. So let's see what we got. I got two pairs of HD wig caps. Well, the other one is in the next box. I got a branded UNice elastic headband, a set of press-ons. As usual, you know it's not going to be a UNice package without a set of press-ons, okay? Then we're going to get into that. So the goodies in this box, I got a bow, and then, which is really a clip, and then I got the next pair of HD wig caps. All right, now let's get into the wig of the day. So this is the UNice's 7x5 glueless HD lace body wave wig. It came pre-styled, pre-curled. Look at that. It's pre-plucked. Everything looks so immaculate, so well done. It's pre-cut, it's pre-bleached. Everything is pre. So this is how the inside looks. Of course, it has a adjustable elastic band, which you can also remove if you'd like, but that adds security. It has two adjustable straps in the back, and it has the curve to accommodate your ear on the side to make the wig sit comfortably on your head. Now, okay, let's get into the closure. To see how flawless it looks like a normal wig, right? I was just showing you the comb right there, but it looks like a normal wig, right? You see right around where I'm pointing, it's detachable, guys. So they're regarding this wig today as the magic wig. This is the closure piece that came to replace that original piece that's already attached to the wig. This is highlighted, so I love how they switched up the vibe and gave us variety because this has some color to it. This is how the construction of it looks. It has like 3 hooks. It's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-cut. Everything is pre on it. It's pre-customized, and I'm getting into that. So it's attached and detached by Velcro, and that's what I'm pointing at. Now, this is completely revolutionary. I went ahead and started to install the initial attachments that I got, like the whole thing, so that I can show you guys everything, and I was showing you guys how secure it is on the head. But I must say I commend UNice for being so different and creative and unique, and oh my gosh, yeah, I was just doing my regular thing. I went ahead and removed the piece of lace that has any cast on it that didn't have any hair, and I just blended that down with some powder further on. But imagine you get one wig, right? Because they only have like one, like you only have the money to buy one wig, but then you end up being able to switch up the look of that wig completely because the lace portion is detachable. That is what UNice is offering with today's wig, and I'm happy that I could give you guys this variety. You know, I'm so excited. You can see the excitement on me. I'm showing you guys how much space you have to work with on this lace. It's a lot of space. It's a 7x5 closure. You know the vibes, right? Everything is looking like scalp. It's looking super flawless. I am all here for it. Now, I need you guys to know that, listen, they completely they up the game with this one, and I absolutely love it. This is not just an upgrade, it's a reimagination. You know, you could go ahead and replace the whole closure, and I just love that. It's super versatile. The quality of the hair is very soft and silky, by the way. Let me just tell you right now. You see that? Flawless. Love it. Yeah, it's like butter. And it was very minimal shedding. I tried to get into showing you guys the strands a bit, but the camera, I don't know, it wasn't picking it up. It really wasn't a lot of strands, so I'm loving that. And I just got my hot comb and get everything really laid. The hair was already pre-styled, so this is so beginner friendly, so the magic lace wig is basically their newest put on and go closure wig, right? And it consists of 2 parts basically, and I'm gonna get into the next piece as I'm showing you guys right now. So it consists of the closure and the base of the wig. So let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, let's change. All right, and I'm gonna show you guys how to properly detach this and attach it. So it is attached by 3 different hooks, and you see that hook at the very front there. All you do is just remove that. Simple, easy peasy. Right? And as I said, everything is attached and detached by Velcro. You see how easy that is? There's also a hook in the middle right here. So you just go ahead and detach that. And I wanted to take my time to really slow down and show you guys this so you get it, because it's really not hard. Right? And there's a hook at the next end. And you just release that and you're good to go. Once you take that off, you could go ahead and switch out to your next closure. Nobody would know that it's the same wig. Nobody. So this is the closure that I just took off. See? Perfect. And this is how the base of the wig looks. Right? Perfect construction. Immaculate. Now I'm going to get my highlighted closure piece and I'm going to attach it. So easy peasy. Just the same thing. It's literally the same thing I'm doing. Take my time. Ensure that everything is connecting properly. I hook it up back. And that's it. So I really love how they really thought about this new kind of wear and go wig. You know, I absolutely love it. It's basically if say for instance you damaged your closure on this wig, it's so easy for you to replace it, you know? And I love that. And voila, that's it. That's all. You got yourself a almost brand new wig, because nobody would know. This is literally at the front. It's at the top. It's flawless. You would not know. You cannot see it. Look at that. I was like, yo, it's a 10. It is a 10, guys. Look at that. This wig, you would not know that it's only the closure that is highlighted. Like, you know, it looks like a wig that is thoroughly streaked with the highlight portions, because it, oh my god, it is game changer. Game changer. I was so excited. Yeah, it's actually the first time I'm trying a wig like this, by the way, so you guys know. Look at me. I was too happy, man. Too happy. UNice, you did it. You did it. Yes, I'm pretty much repeat the same thing. You guys know how I do. I remove the cast by cutting away any piece of lace that doesn't have any hair and blending that down with face powder, and you're gonna see all of that. But man, I 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys right now. You guys need to go ahead and check out UNice right now. Okay, they did their thing on this. Yeah, you know, sometimes we get tired of one look too long. This is the perfect wig for that. You could get multiple closures with different colors for this to just keep on having a fresh look. All right, so what I wanted to do is I also show you guys that it's the same amount of parting space that you have with this one. I'm always going to show you guys that how much space you have to work with. So, and everything, and you know what I love? The customization is so flawlessly done. Flawlessly done, man. It is A1. So in with the previous closure, I show you guys, I kept it in the center part. So for this one, I wanted to do a side part. Switch it up. Why not? You know, it's a whole new me. Okay, yeah. So I got my wax stick and I just got everything really nice and laid. Okay, so I absolutely just love how the wig is just super easy to style as well, and it's, as I say, very beginner friendly. All right, so this product is backed by 30 days free return, so feel free to go ahead and try it. All right, and I love that, you know, they offer that. Yeah, so it's super easy, as you can see, and it's glueless, and it's, oh my gosh, the glueless wigs are just super undefeated. It's amazing. It's a 10. Look at that. I didn't even have to recurl this, guys. You realize? Yeah, it holds a curl really well. After all, it's a body wave. Look at that. You would have thought I went in and fully recurl this or style this on my own. All I did was flip the parting, and that is me. It looks so elegant, so sexy. Like, I'm ready to go out. Ready to go out. Guys, let me know what you think about today's wig. Wig, this is the final look. Yeah, go ahead, check out down below for the direct link to this wig if you're interested in purchasing. All the specs are listed as well. Shout out to UNice once more. If there are any discount, any deals, that will be listed. That's it for today's look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.